To our tutorial on how to post that you've left school on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Begin by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to start creating a new post. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event from the options. 4. Choose Education from the list of life events. 5. Select Left School to indicate that you have completed your education journey. 6. Add the name and type of your school, along with the date when you left school. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to proceed. 8. Use the audience selector to determine who you want to share this milestone with. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to share the news of you leaving school on Facebook. By following these steps, you can share your educational achievements and progress with your Facebook friends and followers, celebrating this significant moment in your life. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in explaining how to post that you've left school on Facebook. Keep your Facebook community updated on your educational milestones and accomplishments by following these simple steps. Stay connected and engaged with your peers through this feature on Facebook.